Well, hi there pluckers, I've a sore fingers again with you. Thanks indeed for joining me for another guitar lesson. This one is a song from a band called Kolton and the Clever Few. And the song's called Maybe I'll Just Let You Down, okay? I'm in standard tuning and I have capo on fret 5, okay? 5th fret for the capo. So I'm going to go through the intro, the first 3 verses and the first chorus for you, break it down and show you how I played it, and you'll have all the parts of the song that you need. Okay, there are some more verses and choruses to follow, but they play the same way, okay? It's a very, very slow song, and very emotively sung, shall I call it. So I'll do my best with the singing, but I'm no Kolton Moore, okay? So apologies in advance, but at least the chords will be hopefully useful to you, okay? So here we go. Well, I guess I oughta my way downtown, quit all the drugs and stop fooling around, go back to church, start reading again. Maybe God will forgive me all my sins, and I'll start back over where it all began. Late drunken nights, all whiskey and gin, a half-lit cigarette and a cocaine flame, a woman that doesn't even know my name, beat up old car with nickel on the sides, 2-pack habit, just trying to survive, wife and 2 kids that I left alone, praying one day that I'll just come home, and maybe one day I'll finally grow up, and maybe one day I'll quit messing up. Maybe I won't, maybe I'll just let you down. Maybe one day I'll finally grow up, and maybe one day I'll quit messing up. Maybe I won't, and maybe I'll just let you down. However you want to finish it, okay, I think it usually finishes on an E minor after the second. It does doubles up on the chorus at the end and then finishes on an E minor, I think. Anyway, mix and match, okay, however you want to play it. Those are all the bits you need, okay. There is a fair bit of harmonica on some of the versions, I noticed, but anyway, so the introduction, and is basically a 4-fingered G I'm playing, so it's a G chord with the 3rd fret of the 1st and 2nd strings, the E, top E and the B strings covered, okay, fretted at the 3rd fret. It's very slow, okay, so it's a sort of slow strum, picky sort of thing. What it does, it hammers into that, takes this 1st finger and hammers into that 2nd fret of the 3rd string, the G string, and then takes it off. Okay, so it's and then goes to a C added 9th, so you keep your 2 fingers on the 3rd fret of the 1st and 2nd strings, and then put your 1st finger on the 2nd fret of the D string, the 4th string, and 2nd finger on the 3rd fret of the from the capo on the 5th string, C added 9, okay. And you do the same thing with that, with the hammering onto the 3rd fret, oh sorry, 3rd string, 2nd fret. Does the same as you did with the G, okay, so it's goes to an E minor, and it does that hammer onto that second fret of the third string again, but with your pinky this time I did it, okay? And then a D chord, suspended, pinky on the third fret of the top E string. Voila! And then to the song, okay, which is the same chord sequence all the way through the verse. G, C added ninth, E minor, D, but there's no hammers, okay, it's just straightforward chord work, okay, picking and strumming slowly, okay. So let's just go through the intro and then we'll do a couple of verses, and then I'll walk you through the chorus, okay. So yes, I ought to make my way downtown, quit all the drugs and start fooling around. Back to church, start breathing again. Maybe God will forgive me all my sins, and I'll start back over where it all began. Midnight drunk nights of whiskey and gin, with script, cocaine flame, and a woman that doesn't even know my name. A beat up old car with wood panel sides, two-pack habit, just trying to survive. Wife and two kids that I left alone, praying one day that I'll just come home. Then we go into the chorus, okay, at that point, and the chorus you go back to the C added ninth, okay. So coming out, praying one day that I'll just come home, and C added ninth, maybe one day I'll finally grow up. G, maybe one day I'll quit messing up. D, maybe I won't, and maybe I'll just let you. E minor down, and then it goes back to basic playing the usual chord sequence, and I think there's a harmonica comes over the top, okay. Same chords as usual. G, C, added ninth. And if you want to, you can do the hammers if you like. E minor, D, and I'll go down to the porch and grab my old guitar. Okay, and that just does another couple of verses, the same chord sequence as usual, and then basically another two choruses, one after the other, and ends up on the E minor. I'll just let you down. So there's a fourth and fifth verse, then you go into the chorus where it goes, and maybe one day I will finally go up. Maybe one day I'll quit messing up. Maybe I'll just let you down. Maybe one day I'll finally grow up, and maybe I'll quit messing up. Maybe I will, maybe I'll just let you down. Something like that to finish. Or you could just do the intro again, however you want to play it. Anyway, thanks very much for watching and listening. Hope that helps some people play that song, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.